Welcome back to the AI Language Flutter series. In the last video, we talked about stateful widgets and built a simple app where you could tap on a heart icon to toggle its state and count the number of taps. It was a fun introduction to interactivity in Flutter. Today, we're taking that app one step further by exploring colors and fonts. These are key elements that bring life and personality to your app's user interface. We'll add custom colors to the background and AppBar, and we'll style text using custom fonts and themes. And here's the best part. You can follow along with the live code editor in the AI Language Playground. The link is in the description below, and it's completely free for our subscribers. So click the link and let's dive in together. Let's jump straight into the code. First, let's talk about how we set up the theme for the app. In the My App widget, we've defined a ThemeData object to control the app's look and feel. We set teal as the primary color for the app using a primary swatch. Flutter makes it super easy to use predefined swatches, and teal is one of them. Each swatch includes multiple shades of a color, making it simple to choose lighter or darker variants when styling different parts of the UI. For example, we'll use lighter shades for the background and darker shades for the app bar to maintain a cohesive design. Now let's move to the interactive greeting card widget. We applied a darker shade of teal to the app bar. This creates a bold, visually appealing top section. To ensure the title text stands out, we styled it with white text, creating a clean contrast. Below the app bar, we've added a background color for the screen. This is a very light teal shade that complements the darker app bar and gives the app a fresh and inviting look. Now let's discuss fonts and text styling. In the app's theme, we've defined global text styles using the TextTheme. One of these styles, display large, is used for large headings. It includes a bold font weight, a larger font size, and a teal color to keep the app visually consistent. We've also added a custom font family, Roboto, to give the app a polished and professional feel. In the interactive greeting card widget, we've applied these global styles to the text elements, like the headline that says tap the heart icon. But sometimes we need to tweak these styles for specific widgets. This is where the copyWith method comes in handy. It allows us to reuse a global style while overriding specific properties such as the color or font size. For example, in the app bar title, we adjusted the font size and changed the color to white for better visibility. Similarly, for smaller text, like the message about the number of taps, we used a more subdued gray color to create visual hierarchy. Finally, we added a custom text style to the last text widget, which says, playing with colors and fonts. This text uses a medium font weight and a darker teal shade to draw attention while maintaining consistency with the overall theme. Let's quickly recap what we've done. We defined a primary color theme for the app and used its shades to style the app bar and background. We applied global text styles using the text theme and customized them with the copyWith method. We added a custom font family and saw how to tweak font sizes, weights, and colors for specific widgets. This is just the beginning of what you can do with colors and fonts in Flutter. Play around with the code and experiment with different combinations to create your unique designs. I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning Flutter. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this, and check out the AI Language Playground for free interactive coding sessions. In the next video, we'll dive into containers in Flutter, an incredibly versatile widget for layout, styling, and more. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding.